Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime. I am Daedren. Skinny Fabulous ignites Jamaica Carnival Week with explosive I Love Soca performance. On Easter Monday, scores of patrons flocked to the National Stadium as the official Carnival Week began with I Love Soca. Now, St. Vincent and the Grenadine artist Skinny Fabulous rocked the crowd with a mix of soca and dancehall sets.
Somebody say, listen, somebody put your left hands in the air like this. Go, just show me the first behavior. Just show me the first behavior.
Skinny Fabulous spoke with E Prime about returning to performing for his Jamaican fans.
It's one of the most appealing thing about I Love Soca, the fact that there's a big melting pot of nationalities. So I always try to mix it up. And plus I know the general was inside to it, and the general is a person that inspires everybody. From soca artists to dancehall artists to all artists. So it's just about mixing it up.
Meanwhile, Trinidadian DJ Travis World spoke on how Carnival is taking shape in Jamaica.
It's always good to connect with them and do work with them. I mean, we all so close in the Caribbean. Yes, they do dancehall and I do soca, but it's a good thing to use it sometime, and every time we link up, it's always solid work,
Promoter for the event and director for Yadmas, Andrew Bellamy, shared on reasons why the event continues to grow in popularity amongst the Jamaican audience.
Partnership is huge. And then not even within our circle, I mean just the other players in the market, the other players within the industry, they help collectively, we spark interest and create a lot of buzz around Carnival in Jamaica, which makes it a huge thing. Every year you can see the numbers growing. Carnival in Jamaica is getting bigger and bigger.
Campari Group, with its 5-year contract with Exodus and Yadmas bands, was also on show with their VIP Experience Lounge. Media and Public Relations Manager Candice Leverage shared with E Prime on the band's dedication to expanding the culture.
It's always been an easy decision for us to jump on board with these events, lead-up events, carnival events, mainly because not only is this one of the largest sources of entertainment within the culture, we get to directly speak to our consumers on a near daily basis during the carnival season. We do intend to continue to support the entertainment scene. So yes, we do stray out of carnival and we do support our dancehall events and our dancehall artists. It's mainly because we do believe that this is not only a driving force for Jamaican entertainment and tourism, but we do believe that it aids in the development of the company. And so it's an easy decision for us to put our money within the entertainment sector, because we do believe that the development can come from this area for sure.
On April 15, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett, while presenting the findings of Carnival in Jamaica and the Economic Impact Assessment, disclosed that Carnival generated over $95 billion in total economic impact and supported over 100,000 full-time equivalent jobs across multiple sectors in 2024. Kingston, the hub of Jamaica Carnival, will host a week of events culminating on Sunday, April 27, with a highly anticipated Carnival Road March. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedren. Thank you for watching.